Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you what to do if PayPal permanently limits your account. So let's get started. First, it's important to understand why this can happen. So PayPal may permanently limit your account if it detects unusual activities, policy violation, identity verification issues, or a high number of disputes and chargebacks. If your account has been limited, the first thing you should do is log in your PayPal account and check the resolution center. In many cases, PayPal will provide information about the limitation and may request additional documents. Next, check your email inbox for messages from PayPal. These emails often explain the reason for the limitation and provide instruction on what steps you can take next. If PayPal requests documents, submit them as soon as possible. This may include proof of identity, proof of address, business information if applicable. If there is no option to resolve the issues directly, contact PayPal support through the Help Center. You can send a message or speak with the representative to request more information about the limitation and ask whether any additional documents can be provided. When contacting support, be polite, provide accurate information, and avoid creating new PayPal accounts, as this may cause additional problems. If PayPal confirms that the limitation is permanent, any remaining funds in the account are often held for up to 180 days. After that period, PayPal may allow you to withdraw the available balance, and they will usually notify you by email when the funds become accessible. To help avoid account limitation in the future, always use accurate personal information, follow PayPal's policies, and keep the records of your transaction, especially if you are running a business. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.